Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. You must have heard about conversation view in Gmail. Basically, it's a Gmail setting that allow you to group together all the mail which are contained same subject. Now, I will going to show you how. So this is my Gmail account. Click on setting gears in the upper right corner of Gmail. Click on see all settings from the drop down menu. In the General tab, scroll down until you find the Conversation View section. And select the Conversation View on or Conversation View off. Suppose you have a huge email chain which are kept separately in your mail. By enable to Conversation View on, you will be able to find your all replies under the same subject line display in one place in order to making it easier or to follow the conversation. But when you turn it off, each message displayed separately. Select Save Change at the bottom of the screen. So that's it. Hope you like this. Catching you guys in my next video. Please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.